Hey everyone, so today we have an unboxing. So we have a Yuxin Little Magic Pyra, Gant 251M Pro, and the Weilong Pyraminxes. So these are all cubes I've been looking forward to getting for a long while now. So I'm really excited, so let's just get right into it. So I think I'll unbox the 251M Pro first because it's 202 and the other ones are Pyraminxes. So we have the 251M Pro here, and the box is almost open, so I guess I'll just do that now. Pretty clean looking box with the cube here and the Gant logo. Wow, so I'm like really excited for this cube because it's like a lot of people use it, and I've been using the MDC Elite for a while. So I think these are GS nuts, which are for adjusting the springs. And this is an accessories box, probably has a screwdriver and some other things. I don't really know, I don't really care. And the most important thing, the cube. So it's a pretty nice box. And I guess I can start first phase now. So it's frosted actually, it's like really slippery, but that'll probably wear away with time. So I think I'll just start doing first turns. It's really dry right now because I don't think there's any lube. It's really fast, but still like controllable because like the magnets are really good. It's like really slippery. It's just corner cutting. Okay, can do a little bit more than 45 actually. Yeah. Reverse. Okay, not bad. Pretty good actually. But you won't be using that much corner cutting in play too, so it's not too important. I actually really like this cube already. It just feels like really slippery and I can't really hold, but that should go away. Yeah, so I really like this cube. It's like I'm already turning faster than I did on my current main, which is the MDC Elite over here, which I just feel like I can't turn as fast. So that's like, this is pretty good because I just feel like I can just turn faster, which obviously is just better, especially on 2x2. I think this is like already a main, like even without setup, I think I would still use this over than this one because I can just turn so much faster. Onto the Pyraminxes. So I think I'll just start with the Yuxin Little Magic. So for some reason, there's no like plastic wrapping on this, but yeah, I don't know, but that's okay. So I guess I'll just open it. Okay, the Pyraminxes doesn't want to come out. Okay, so I've heard that this cube is like really bad out of the box, and sometimes it might just like be pretty bad because just like quality control issues, but I mean, I'll probably like set it up later, but let's just get into first turns. Okay, yeah, the corner cutting sucks. I can't turn on this at all, but actually it's not that bad, but I guess they're okay. Tips, I would say tips are like better already than my current main. The V2 is here because I feel like the way I set up the tips is just kind of bad. They're really slow. So this cube like requires a lot of setup, so I'm not expecting too much from it currently, but it's like decent, I guess. So yeah, it's pretty solid, I would say, as of now, but I think it can definitely be better. I actually like this cube already because like it's pretty fast, like even without like all that like setup. So I do think that it will beat my V2, but we'll see if I'll made it over the Weilong, which I'll unbox now. Okay, so it's the last cube, and I guess I'll just unbox now. Some plastic wrapping. Oh. Okay, so we have a cube here. Okay, so accessories. Is this a cube set? I don't know. Open up and yeah, there's nothing. Okay. So here's a cube. Okay, so the cube is very frosted right now. My hands are slippery, so I can't really hold it, but frostiness should go away. Okay, so let's get into first turns. Okay, it's dry because there's no lube, but I can like set it up later. Currently the turns are like really fast, but that's actually feels pretty good. The magnets are nice too, yeah. Okay, tips. Okay, tips are kind of slow right now, but there's a mod that you can do so that I can like change that, so that should be good. Beams. Okay, my hands are so slippery. So let's test corner cutting. Okay, currently not that good, but I can definitely change that setup. Okay. I mean, not too bad, because it's just out of the box. I'm not expecting much. Okay, it's pretty good already. I do like it. I would say that it's better than my current main, the W2. But we'll see how it compares to my, or the Yuxin Little Magic, so. Okay, I actually really like this cube. It's getting a little less slippery, and I can turn it really fast. So I do like this cube, probably main over W2 already, but the Weilong might beat it. But that's it for the video. I will probably make reviews on these cubes later when I have time to more time to try them out and to set them up. I have a comp coming up this weekend with 2x2 and Pyraminxes, so hopefully I'll be able to use these cubes there because I really do think that they're better than my current mains. And yeah, so that's it, and bye.